YouTubers, today we're gonna open my brand new tool, Makita electric chainsaw. It comes with 2 batteries, 5 amps and extra Schnellladegerät. Schnellladegerät. So I'm gonna use this guy. It's very sharp. Have to be very careful. Okay, gonna put this away because it's very sharp. I like it. Let's see what's inside. Peek in. Oh, something is wrong with this. Looks like, oh, holy, looks like it's already open. I'm just fooling you. Yeah, it used to be like this, but then I decided to open all the screws, everything. That's how it looks like. That's really how it looks like inside. The reason why I bought it actually is experimenting with the kit. That's a $500. So what do you get for $500? 528 Canadians. You get this extra fast guy here. See here, 9 amps. Can charge simultaneously, same time. 9 amp hour. Both of them. They're 5 amps. And they come, it has a fan and everything. Comes with the 5 amps, the batteries, and this thing here, 18 volts. I'm just gonna measure quickly, fast and quickly. I already charged them, so plus is here, minus is here, suck. I already made a little bit more. So right now 20.15, one, and 20.34, another one. So that's the thing. When other companies, other than Makita is my favorite. When they say 20 amps, I'm not gonna name them, but probably you know already. It's 20 volts. Actually it's 18 volts. It's 20 volts when it's fully charged. 18 volt is a nominal voltage. So yeah, the reason I bought it is to experiment. As I said, comes with a brushless motor. I took this apart and I just want to see how the brushless motor look like. It has this thing here, which is the controller. It's sealed nicely. Comes with a big cooler thing. That's the thingy. So regulator, the voltage, and the motor itself. It's a 3-phase motor, of course. So 1 phase, another phase, and the purple one and blue is so 3 and 3, 6. But it's a normal 3-phase brushless motor. I cannot remove it. I don't know why. I just want to show you how the back look like. Oops. Okay, now. Yeah, it's very cool. It comes with the, of course, the bearing, but it comes with a fan thingy here, and you feel that it's very high torque. Basically, it's an outrunner, like a air RC, right? Radio control model. It's very torquey, and it's outside outrunner. So it's not inside, it's outside. It has a bit bigger momentum and everything, but you cannot use it outside because it has to be kind of moving a little bit here. So you have to run it basically because of this thing. Bearing has here the plastic, the holder, So you have to put it the way it should be put, and it's almost silent. I'm just gonna try it. I'm running out of time. My wife is showing me that I don't have enough time, and I don't want to be too pieces are falling apart. Let's do this one. This one is important because it is see, has a safety mechanism here. So okay, has another safety here, so you have to trigger this one, this one, and here you can see it comes with the, so battery are full. You play it here and you can run it. Let's try. As I said, it's very torquey. It's perfect for my application because I want to put it like this and put like sprocket here. Yeah, it's loud. And then connect it to the bike. So everything is here. Everything what you need is here. Plus this here. It comes about approximately $500 Canadian. What I should spend with the batteries. Good batteries. This is the second portion because now we have a little bit extra time. I just want to tell you more how this whole thing, it's pretty compact, right? And plus it's gonna be cool if you just put it in the back. Gepäckträger on German. Haksitz na bicyklu, on a bike, rear rack, and it's gonna kind of look cool. Makita chainsaw, and you have a good charger, and I don't know, it's still good. I like it. I don't know about this thing. It's kind of too. I would like to a little bit have a softer start, but it's running good, and I still like it. See, individually, or you can just. This thing goes all the way inside. I just wanted to show you. Of course, each battery has a capacity. That's approximately. So you have the power supply, you have a brushless motor. This is very, very strong, right? Originally it comes with this, and then you put that ring over there. All the pieces are here. And then instead of this, you can use like probably 6 sprockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Secure it, and then directly connect it to the whatever application you need. This side is like for the oil change, chain oiling and stuff. And it's come with this kind of safety. Maybe I shouldn't explain that, but kind of briefly only. This thing, you move it there and it's kind of locked. This is unlocked position, and how it works, it basically puts pressure through this kind of a clutch system, and it holds the motor at the same time while killing the motor. It's a safety mechanism, and then you lock it or unlock it. But that's the chain. That's the chainsaw application, and probably I will never use the chain application. I don't say never, because you can use it. There's a chain thing, and that's it. Okay, yogurt, you're gonna get yogurt, just wait a little bit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Crazy crazy project. We'll see how it's gonna work, and I'm gonna do what I have in my mind, and hopefully it's gonna working. If not, then I still have a cool tool. Still make a nice, cool original tool if I can put it together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hello YouTubers. We have a special edition, second time opening. I missed some part. I missed some part here in this original box, and I'm gonna show you now. Open. Look what I have inside. You can get out now. Oh, that's my main problem. That's my granddaughter. Upsala. Upsala. That's my main problem here. She always tells me dida this, dida that, and she always ruin my recording. Bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.